Look! An apple tree. Biddy, are you going to plant it next to your house? How nice! How will you dig the hole in the ground? Of course! With the backhoe loader! Biddy, what's the matter? Is the arm of the backhoe loader not working? What could be wrong? Let's call Robi to help us. Hello, Robi! Biddy needs to dig a hole to plant the apple tree, but the arm of the backhoe loader isn't working. Can you help us? Great! Robi is going to analyze the backhoe loader with his laser. Do you know what's wrong? Do we need to change the entire arm? Okay. First, we have to remove the broken arm by taking out this black pin. Biddy, we need the toolbox to remove the pin. Do you have it? Excellent! Which tool should we use to remove the pin from the arm of the backhoe loader? The wrench? No! The drill? Nope! The hammer? Yes! That's right! Let's hit the pin hard with the hammer. Perfect! Now, let's remove the broken arm. Awesome! Hey, Biddy, how can we get a new arm for the backhoe loader? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, Biddy, turn on the machine. We need the complete arm of the backhoe loader. Now, we have to put the necessary materials into the machine. Metal as the main material. And plastic for some parts. Let's do this! It's ready! Come on, Biddy, press the button. Great! Here's the new arm for the backhoe loader. Let's go! Let's attach the new arm to the backhoe loader. Now, we have to reinsert the pin using the hammer. Done! We've fixed the backhoe loader! Fantastic! Come on, Biddy! Let's plant the apple tree. by Robi. Replacing the car's engine. Hello, Biddy. Are you going for a walk? A car trip. Awesome. What's wrong, Biddy? Won't it start? Oh, what a shame. Hey, Biddy, why don't we call Robi to help us? Hello, Robi. We have a problem. The car won't start, but we don't know what's wrong. Can you help us? Fantastic! Robi will analyze the car with its laser to detect the issue. Robi, do you know what's wrong with the car? Oh, it's the engine. The car's engine isn't working. We need to replace it with a new one. First, we have to remove the broken engine. But it's attached to the car with these screws. Biddy, do you have tools to remove the broken engine from the car? Great! The toolbox! Let's take a look. What tool should we use to remove the screws from the engine? The wrench? No. The hammer? Nope. The screwdriver? Yes! That'll do! Let's remove the 4 screws. One, 2, 3, and 4. Great! Now we can take out the broken engine. Next, we need to get a new engine. Where can we find one? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, Biddy, turn on the machine. We need a new engine. Now, let's put the necessary materials into the machine. Metal as the main material. And plastic for some parts. Let's do it! Done! Biddy, press the button. Here's the new engine. Let's fix the car. First, we'll place the new engine. And now, we have to reattach the screws using our screwdriver. 1, 2, repaired the car! Fantastic! Biddy, try starting the car. Great! It works! Goodbye, Biddy! Replacing the car's wheel. It seems that Biddy is going on a car trip. Watch out, Biddy! There's a nail on the ground. Yikes! The car's tire has been punctured by the nail. Biddy, why don't we call Robi to help us? Hello, Robi! Biddy's car tire is flat. We need to change the car's wheel. Can you help us? What could Robi help us with? A piano? No. A gas station? Nope. A jack? Yes! With the jack, we can lift the car! Here's Robi's generator. We need a jack. Come on, Robi, press the button. There's the capsule. Come on, Robi, let's take it to Biddy. Biddy, we have the capsule. It's about to open. Look! Here's the jack we needed. Let's lift the car to remove the wheel. First, we need to place the jack under the car. Now, let's use the lever to lift the car. Great! Look at the shape of the wheel bolt head. Which tool should we use? The drill? Nope. The hammer? No. The wrench? Yes! The wrench will do. Fantastic! Hey, Biddy, we need a new wheel. Where can we get one? Did you figure it out? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, Biddy, start the machine! We need a wheel for the car. Now, let's input the necessary materials into the machine. Rubber for the tire. And metal for the rim. Let's do this. Come on, Biddy, press the button. What happened? The machine has produced 3 wheels. Which one should we pick? This triangular-shaped one? Nope. This square-shaped one? No. The round wheel? Yes! Let's put the round wheel on the car. First, we place the new wheel. And now, we reattach the bolt using the wrench. Finally, we're going to lower the car with the jack. Done! We've repaired the car! Fantastic! Goodbye, Biddy! Have a safe trip! Wait, Biddy! Robi wants to go with you! All set now! Safe travels! Repairing the toy train. Look! Biddy is playing with the toy train. Biddy, what happened? Has the train stopped? What could be wrong? Biddy, why don't we call Robi to help us? Biddy was playing with the train, but it has stopped and we don't know what's wrong. Can you help us? Great! Robi is going to analyze the train with his laser. Do you know what's wrong with the train? Have the batteries run out? We need to change the train's batteries. First, we have to remove the screw to open the cover and take out the used batteries. Biddy, we need the toolbox to open the battery cover. Do you have it? Excellent! Which tool should we use to remove the screw from the cover? The wrench? No! The hammer? Nope! The screwdriver? Yes! That's right! Perfect! Let's remove the used batteries. Now, we need new batteries. Biddy, where can we get them? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, Biddy, turn on the machine. We need new batteries. Now, we have to put the necessary materials into the machine. Metal as the main material, and plastic as an insulator. Let's do this! It's ready! Come on, Biddy, press the button. Great! Here are the batteries we need. Let's fix the toy train. First, we place the new batteries. Now, we have to close the cover again with the screwdriver. Done! We've fixed the train! Fantastic! Goodbye, Biddy! Goodbye, Robi! Have a great time with the train! The tower crane. Hello, Biddy! Are you preparing the roof to install a TV antenna? That's great! Hey, Biddy, how are we going to lift the antenna up to the roof? It's very high! Should we call Robi for help? Awesome! Hello, Robi! Biddy wants to place the antenna on the roof, but it's too high. Can you help us? What could Robi help us with? A clock? Nope. An oven? No. A tower crane? Yes! With the crane, we can lift the antenna up to the roof. Here's Robi's generator. We need a tower crane. Come on, Robi, press the button. Fantastic! Let's take the capsule to Biddy. Biddy, we have the capsule! It's about to open! Look! Here's the tower crane we needed! Let's lift the antenna! The antenna is now in place. Now, we need to secure the antenna to the roof with this large screw and this nut. We need a tool to tighten the nut. Which tools shall we take? A screwdriver? No. A hammer? Nope. A wrench? Yes! With the wrench, we can tighten the nut. It's done, BIDI! The TV antenna is now installed. Fantastic! BIDI, have a great time with your new TV. Goodbye, BIDI. Goodbye, Robi.